crafters, it's me, Jen Evers with Quality Crafts. Welcome to 1 in 10 by Jen. In 10 minutes, I'm going to take something from my mailbox and turn it into a masterpiece. Basically, what I'm going to do is take whatever scraps I have in here and create the best kind of card that I can. I stamp my information on the back, and it goes out to the person that sent it in. Obviously, I did not take the time to turn my display on appropriately, and it shut off on me. So let me just set that real quick. Time out in 10 minutes so we can get the whole thing on there. There we go. Okay, so I've got 10 minutes on here. I know for a fact, and you don't have to try to stump me, but you certainly can. Or you can send matchy stuff, whatever you want to do. I know for a fact that this is number 156. I've done 156 weeks of this. This one is from Esther Carter. She sent it on purpose to completely stump me. So let's just have a look and see if she actually did. I've got 10 minutes to mess around with whatever's in here, so let's check it out. Alright, I think it's all emptied out. Let's see. We've got this adorable little dog clip. Oh my gosh, look at how cute that is. So cute. Let's see what else she has in here. Oh, excellent. Candy wrappers, that's awesome. A little bug, a little ladybug, some glitter paper, and some gems, and some black paper. So okay, let's go. Let's go for it. Let me make sure I have this in the space where you see it, and we'll start it. Okay, I always start with a base, so I'm going to use this one. This is so neat. I think I'm going to go ahead and do half of that for the base. I just need to cut it off at 4 1/4. Actually, I'm going to cut it down just a tad. I'm going to cut just an extra like 1/8 of an inch off on purpose so I have a little on the white border. Perfect. Okay. I love the candy wrappers. That is such a unique idea. Love. So cool. M&M peanut M&Ms, which I totally love. Regular M&Ms. I'm not going to be able to get the whole package on here, so I'm going to have to cut some of it down. But first, I'm going to go ahead and put some of this on here. I'm going to cut it off at about 4. Yeah, I'm going to cut it off at 4 inches. So that should leave a black border. Oh, I'm going to cut off another extra 1/8 of an inch. Keep bumping things with my ears. Perfect. I'm going to keep this little Frenchy one. I wonder if she meant for me to keep that. So I'm just going to set that aside because it's so darn cute. Beautiful. All right, so let's cut off some of this. I want some of the red to match the red that's on there. So maybe we'll just like cut it halfway. I kind of want it to go this way. Okay. Okay, let's see if I need to add more. So we want this to go kind of kitty corner here. Actually, maybe we want it to go kitty corner this way. I gotta make sure the yellow one goes on there too. M and M's. So I'm going to cut this one right around the and that way it can go around this and it'll still say M&M's. Perfect. Instead of cutting any of that off then, I'm going to leave that on there. And I'm going to put this over the top, then I'll remove anything that I have to remove. I have to hold the tape down while I'm putting this on, otherwise it doesn't start the roll because of the type of plastic this is. So M&M's, and that one's going to come off this way. And then I'm just going to cut it right off the edge here. Cute. Cute, cute. That looks really cool. I'd like to tape that down, but I don't think that any kind of glue or anything is going to keep that down on the inside, so we're just going to have to leave it like that. This one could go on the inside. And I'm going to cut that straight. Or maybe what I'll do is I'm going to put it on this way. I've got an idea. How much time do I have? Oh, 4 minutes. Okay. Okay. Put this right here. And then I'm not going to keep the rest of the candy wrapper because I pretty much destroyed that, meaning I used it all. But I am going to create a piece that'll go through there. And that is approximately 2 1/4 inches. We'll try it. It might have to be slight less than that. 2 1/4. I'll go 2 1/8 and see how that works. I'm going to use this candy wrapper as a place to put my sentiment, and that's going to go in here. Awesome. That was perfect. It's going to fit in there so well. I'm going to put some of the blue there you go. Some of the blue ones on this side. And some of the red ones on the other side. Actually, you know what? I don't think it'll fit through. Keep tearing the little things off instead of getting the glue off there. I don't think that this will go underneath it through that little thing, so I'm going to actually put these on the same side. Like that. And then this is going to slide through here. Cool. And then I have a couple minutes yet, so okay, I have this one. I can't find my circle right off the bat here. So I'm going to go ahead and just do an oval one right here. That's going to make it so that they can pull this. I guess they will fill. Well, I'm going to try to put my sentiment in here so that when you pull it out, you see it. those will go through. I'm impressed. I didn't think they would. But obviously they must be small enough that they'll do that. That's cool. All right. So if I go this far, okay. Actually, I'm going to let you add your own sentiment. I only have a minute left. Let's see what else I can do. I'm going to add some more blue to the front by putting a couple here because there's some blue M&Ms, and so that's going to round out the front of the card. I've got 1 minute left. I hope those don't fall off in shipping, but if they do, then you'll know by watching the video that I didn't mean for that to happen. This looks really good the way it is. I don't want to put anything bumpier in there because then it's going to get messed up. So I'm going to leave those there, but I still have this guy. Where do I want to put him? I can make him as like the pull tab and he's like crawling out. That would work. So the ladybug will be crawling out. Grab the ladybug and pull. He's going that way. All right, so that is as far as I can go. All right. Oh, I have those little guys sticking out, but I think they'll be okay because the envelopes are always a little bit higher or a little bit longer. This is so cute. Share size of peanut M&Ms, and then on the inside you can put your own sentiment. I would say something like, here's something for your sweet tooth or something like that. Super cute little pull card using a candy wrapper. I love it. I love the idea that you gave me. I have plenty of bling left and a little piece of black paper, so I'm going to hold on to those. If you are familiar with our channel, or maybe if you've forgotten, we do crap in the new year from 8 to midnight on New Year's Eve, and all this extra stuff that I don't use goes into a box, and then New Year's Eve I create stuff, pulling stuff from that box. It's really fun. It's going to be probably on Zoom this year. You're not going to want to miss it, so save the date, especially if you either were shut down or COVID's still going and you don't want to leave your house. Whatever the reason is, you've got friends, you've got a place to come. We'll be partying here. And what else do I want to say? Don't forget that I'm out of town now, so there will not be a Zoom on Thursday or Saturday, unless one of the friendly people in our group runs one. They're either going to run a Zoom or they're going to run a room in our Facebook group. So look for that. I think that's it. If you have any questions, please contact me, Jen Evers, on Facebook. Otherwise, you can contact, contact Wanda Bailey first, because Penny Joe Ratcliffe is out for a funeral. So try not to contact her for about another week or so. That would be greatly appreciated. Okay, I gotta go because I gotta finish packing because I'm taking off in the morning, and I can't wait to see you guys next video.